In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix to have denied access on Ometv. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're seeing a message right here that says you have denied access to your devices, your partners will not be able to see and hear you. This is because you have denied the access of Ometv to your camera or your microphone. So let's just allow our camera access. So just go here at the top and see at this camera icon. You can see that our camera icon is disabled. So let's just click on it and check or turn this on. Make this always allow. Click on done. And now you want to refresh. So as you can see, my camera is now working. So if it still doesn't work for you, maybe there are background apps that is using your camera. Make sure that there are no apps that are using your camera and refresh your page. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.